We often get asked, how can you assign materials to many different objects at the same time? Very easy. I launch the FindName command and type shelf. As you can see, all solids with the name shelf are selected automatically. With our plugin AVC palette, I can also see the object name directly in the properties palette. Now I simply right-click the material and apply it to all selected objects at once. Feels good, right? But that's not all. Hello there, this is Michael, and you're watching AVC School. If you work with large AutoCAD projects, you probably know how difficult it can be to search for and organize objects, as long AutoCAD can name only blocks. We decided to fix this, not only to give objects names, but to make these names useful in real work. We call this solution the Find Object by Name. With our plugin, you can assign names to solids and many other objects, including entities inside blocks and dynamic blocks. Let me show you how it works. I create a solid, launch the name palette command, or simply name, select the object and give it a name. Let's just call it box. You can quickly access names and properties through the improved AVC Properties palette. It is included in our Pro bundle and helps make object management much faster. Now let me show you another feature of Find Object by Name. And honestly, this is where things become really interesting. Here I have a really messy scene with planares and cylinders. The cylinders have the names cylinder horizontal and cylinder vertical, and the planares have the names planar horizontal and planary vertical. Now I type asterisk horizontal into find name. Instantly, all horizontal entities are selected. Then I open the materials palette and assign a material to all selected entities at once. This is exactly why we create AVC tools, not just to add new features, but to build faster and smarter workflows inside AutoCAD. We believe AVC plugins can help both experienced engineers and beginners save a huge amount of time. You can learn more about our plugins using the link in the description. Use AVC in your workflow and save time for life.